Inside waste-to-energy boilers, extreme conditions attack boiler tubes, causing rapid thinning and unplanned outages. The first pass takes the brunt, facing high temperatures, chlorides, and acidic flue gases. IGS applies weld overlay, restoring tube thickness and shielding the surface with a corrosion-resistant alloy. Downstream, ash deposits and corrosion continue to threaten tube longevity. HVTS creates a seamless metallic barrier, resisting diffusion, erosion, and high-temperature attack with minimal thermal resistance. Together, Weld Overlay and HVTS extend boiler tube life, eliminate forced shutdowns, and keep power flowing. With over 35 years of experience and thousands of successful applications, IGS protects your assets globally. Choose IGS for targeted, high-performance protection. We've got every pass covered.